हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are going to show you how you can customize your status bar. So without any further ado, let's get started. For that, all you have to do is download this app called Super Status Bar, and it is available on Google Play Store and you can easily install it into your device from there. So let's see what this app has. It has Super Status Bar, trigger text, I don't know what that is, brightness and volume control, custom status bar, gestures, extras. Let's see what those are. So now I'm gonna click on start and click on modify settings and give it the permissions that it wants to make changes into my phone. Now I'm gonna turn on the accessibility services and go to installed services. Now the app is ready and you can customize your status bar any way you want. Now I'm gonna open the indicator one and see what's inside it. And as you can see, it tells you that it shows an indicator when swiping along the status bar. So as you can see, we're swiping along the status bar and there's that indicator. It's for brightness control and setting toggle. And when you go to the settings, you can see that you can also change the shape of the indicator and also the color of the background. And for the accent color for the indicators, you might have to buy the app. There's a heart one that you can apply, and you can also have a hand gesture. Let's select that, and here you can see it's the indicator swiping along the status bar. So now I'm gonna open the gesture option, and as you can see, the enable gestures and drag action are already on, and you can enable all of these other options that are single tap, double tap, long press. Now for example, if I enable single tap, you can enable all of these options by a single tap, that are turn off screen, open app, open shortcut, screenshot, split screen. And as you can see, there are quite a lot of number of options, and let me just select one to show you how it works. Let's select set media volume, or wait, let me change that. Let me select the screenshot option for the single tap gesture, and here a screenshot has been taken by just a single tap. And there are a lot of gestures as well: long press, swipe left, swipe right. You can choose from any one of them. Let's see what is in main slider. The main slider is used when swiping along the status bar. Okay, so we have brightness, media volume, notification volume, ring volume, alarm volume, and voice call volume. Just a reminder, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and like the videos to become a permanent member. The next one is ticker text. So you can configure the ticker text and colors and its style. Okay, so it's the status bar, disable heads up notification, display under the status bar, customization. Okay, let me try something. I'm gonna turn on the status bar ticker text and I'm gonna allow it to make changes into my phone. And there are other options as well. So you can have this app blacklist option, where you can select apps to not use the ticker text on, and category blacklist, where you can select notification categories to not use the ticker text for. So the next up is status bar, and as you can see, you can customize and modify as well. So let's click on modify. So as you can see, as I thought about turning off the time, it will show me that an ADB permission is required, and when I click OK to grant it the permission, it will take me to this page where I can see the ADB tutorial, and a new link will be opened where you can have the entire step-by-step process how you can do this step. So for your phone setup, you'll have to follow up these 6 steps, and I think every other option in this category will have the same problem. Yeah. Now the next step is battery bar, and as you can see, you'll have to enable battery bar for it to work. And from here you can customize it however you want. You can change its height, its offset, alignment, animate while charging, that is turned on, enable full screen, and many other options. You can also change the colors here, and in the settings you can upgrade it to premium, and the app theme can also be changed, light, dark, or system default, it's up to you. We have Play Store, frequently asked questions, and Twitter, Telegram, and that is it. Hope you find this video helpful, and with this we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me? Do you need me?